So I thought I'd do a little video today on my current skincare routine. I turned 40 in July. I get a lot of comments on how good my skin looks for my age. So I thought, you know what, I'll just tell people I do it, and hopefully it might help, or it might encourage people to go a little bit more natural, which is what I prefer to do. I've had no fillers, nothing done to my face. I tend to do with my routine, seems to be working. You might think I look terrible, that's fine. You can tell to your opinion. Just check out how cute this mug is. It's the sun, it's lovely. I think there's something in that as well. So I don't think having good skin or looking good for your age is just down to how you look after your skin. It's also how you think, feel and live. Lifestyle plays a big role. I'm quite healthy. How I eat, I don't drink a lot. I tend to have a fun outlook on life, an energetic outlook on life, and I think that makes a big difference as well. I think there's a quote by Roald Dahl, I've probably got it completely wrong, but the gist of it is, if you have nice thoughts on the inside, you'll have nice on the outside too. So I think there is definitely something in that. Failing that, you can try some of the skincare routine that I do. To take off makeup or to cleanse in either the morning or the evening, I use my own, so I have discussed this before on here, but my own face cream. I'm still working on the packaging. Like a cleansing balm, so it's some solid oils, shea butter, coconut oil, and some other oils that are room temperature, they're liquid. Rosehip being one that gives it the lovely colour. Just 4 ingredients, and I just rub that into my hands and rub it all over my face. It's absolutely amazing at getting off makeup. And then I just wipe that with a nice hot flannel, because the hot flannel helps the pores to open and get all the gunk out. So that's what I do. At night, that's pretty much will do it, because that moisturises at the same time. It's, yeah, if you wanted to keep it really minimal, that would be all you need really. I tend to have drier areas of skin, so like my cheeks tend to be drier than the forehead or the chin. So I also make my own moisturiser, which is a base of aloe vera and whatever liquid oil you want, and you can just literally mix those two together and make a moisturiser. However, I put a lot more things into this one, so things like rosehip and primrose oil, those things are really good to help with feeding the skin and helping it look plump. Aloe vera is really good for that as well, because it helps you maintain the moisture in it. So you could do just those two. So I put that on, wipe it off with a hot flannel, and then I'll just put a little bit of that on. And then if I'm feeling a little bit extra dry, and I've repurposed some packaging, so this isn't actually the product that's in here. It's one that I've made, again, with primrose oil and rosehip oil, and it's just the pure oils in there. And again, just on the cheeks. And if I'm doing myself a little facial massage as well, I'll just rub it in. So it's rubbing up and away from any areas. And I love to give myself a facial massage. Every now and again, I do a face mask and an exfoliator. This is my favourite exfoliator. It's called Lani Tropical Coconut Face Polish. And it's such a good exfoliator. So it's a really, really good product. It lasts ages as well, because it comes in powdered form, so you're not paying for the water. Still okay. It's called the Facelift by Tropic. Brightening tightening mask. I think the main ingredient is turmeric, and I think it does work. I just don't know whether I'll want to go with the Lani again next time, because this one is more of a firming one, and the Lani one takes the dead skin away and makes it look clearer. But yeah, this is still a good one, and it tends to pull out oils, and it does, your face feels tighter after you've used that. So this is a weird one. Anything with witch hazel or zinc in it is fantastic. Tea tree and witch hazel cream, and it's, I think you can just get it from B&M Bargains here, Home Bargains, but it's pretty natural. It's not 100%, I don't think, but it's better than most. I tend to avoid things with paraffin in, but it does have a little bit of paraffin in. But I tend to use this for spots, or like if I've cut myself, I had a little burn here where I burnt myself with a curler. And the witch hazel and the zinc will help you heal something a lot quicker. And then I really wear minimal makeup. A little bit of eyebrow gel, aloe vera, organic, it's just a brown. Now you've got a little brush here, which I don't tend to use. And it's just got a spoolie like a mascara wand. You just pop it through your eyebrows. This again is a really good cover and care stick, so again for spots and blemishes. This heals them quicker. I think it's got witch hazel in again, and that's why there is definitely something in the witch hazel and the zinc. Come with a neutral colour, and it'll just heal it so quickly. So I definitely recommend that one. And the mascara, I'm not sure. I'm still looking for something a bit better than this. So it's good, but we'll see. This one's in brown, but it does look like black when it goes on. And again, it's one of the better natural ones that I've found. And then I got given this one, Coffee Natural Definition Eye Pencil, just an eye pencil. I don't tend to use it a lot, but I'm going out tonight, so I put a little bit on. That's it really. I try to keep it as minimal as possible. I like to try new things, so I will purchase things every now and again. Use a minimal shampoo and body wash and just a normal soap as possible. I've now stopped dyeing my hair. I haven't dyed my hair for about 6 months. Seeing that's coming back a lot thicker. I'm getting a lot more new growth now as well. And surprisingly enough, it tends to be that your natural colour suits you the best. Funny how that works. So that's it, just a simple routine, and just keep it really minimal, and just keep in the positive if you can. I mean, don't get me wrong, I cry occasionally and I have the odd breakdown, but if you can try and see things in a more positive light, I definitely think it radiates out and makes a big difference. So yeah, have a good one. See you in the next video.